And tonight I'm alive in a dollar sign, guaranteed I can blow your mind.
Hi everyone, I'm Kayla,
I'm Kelsey,
and I'm Karen, and welcome back to our channel. Sorry,
you said back?
yeah, they're not. They
I
never
know.
Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back.
Hi everyone, I'm Kayla,
I'm Kelsey,
and I'm Karen. Welcome to our channel. This is our first YouTube video ever, and we're so excited because we filmed something that was not in our comfort zone. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more of these fun videos. We hope you enjoy our video. So now on to the video.
Hi guys, so right here we're in front of Ikea. We're ready to do the overnight challenge. Let's go. This is our friend Sesame. See, this one's cute for a reason. So we're inside of Ikea right now looking for somewhere to hide, but we're just being really quiet because we feel like there's someone following us. There's a worker.
So we're looking for a hiding spot at the moment and can't find anything. Excuse me. Woo.
We found a spot under the bed. So right now we're just waiting for them to close. $10:05 right now. So we've been under this bed for an hour. And it's so dirty down here. I'm starting to get really hungry.
It's 10:12 p.m. and it's been an hour and 12 minutes since they closed. I'm gonna show you guys our hiding spot. It was that small. She was in that one and I was in the next one. We were there for like 30 minutes. So we decided to move over here. Like when I was about to be 10, we moved in here. And we were just hiding here, so. Yeah, we're just probably gonna text Kayla and see where she's at and try to meet up with her. Go check if the coast is clear. The coast is clear, Kayla. She should be in here. You guys. There they are. 10:33. And they seriously just turned off all the lights. It's so scary. Kayla's down here. Sesame's down here. You guys can get out. So now we're in our bathroom. Slumber.
We're really hungry, so we're gonna go to our kitchen and eat.
Our cute little spot. We moved. Oh my god, I almost fell. I almost tripped on this thing. What? Oh my, that's scary. Oh my god. Shh, you guys. Shut up. Shut up. Come here. Just so you guys know, we didn't actually break it. These are like connected and you could take them off. So everything's good. We didn't damage anything. Wait, I didn't even know there was a window over there. Here is the parking lot. As you guys can see, it's completely empty. Okay, you guys want to go find the bathroom? We want to go to the restroom, but we're scared that there's camera. Check if they're open. Look at her little tail. We're really scared right now because that literally sounds like an alarm. Oh my god, you guys, the lights just turned on and we have no idea why. We're like really scared, so we're gonna go back under the bed. It is 12:30 to eat. That one over there is sleeping. I think we're gonna get out though, because there doesn't seem to be anyone. We have late now, which is crazy. I'm gonna just show you guys what it's like to be at Ikea in the night.
This crazy girl's dancing.
So it's completely empty right now and there's nobody here. That bed looks so comfy. Trying to charge our camera because it died. We made ourselves at home. So in this drawer we have our treats, our bag, shoes. Like we're literally a mess. Checking in again. It's 1:40 in the morning and we're tired and the lights are still on.
Okay, so I am going to go charge my phone. We came over here and we found an outlet. Damn, they can't hang. Look at all. I think it's because I drank coffee. We came back under the bed, our hiding spot, because we started hearing noises. And I guess it wasn't anything, but it's actually a good thing that we came back down here because 2 people just arrived. It's currently 3:24. We have a little setup down here. It is 6:10. Sismi's over there. Karen's over there. And Kelsey's just out there getting fresh air and a cookie.
It's 9:40 right now. All the lights are on. All the lamps. Everything. Alright guys, you guys can get out. Excuse me. Hurry. How do we all fit under a bed? Like, I don't get it. We were all under here. Alright, let's go. The store is not technically open yet, but the marketplace is. So we're gonna actually walk over there. You guys, we made it out of Ikea. We really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Bye.